Hello, welcome to our channel, Gurukul. Today we are going to talk about the toss, which was the important component in the serve. People are doing service, they are doing everything, but they are not working for the serve because they are little bit neglecting that point. So I'm going to, first I want to say, what is the toss, okay? So there are two things, the toss and the throw. So you can see in the cricket, sometimes they are bowling, and you can see they are saying it is throw, and you can see that one, that about 10 years before, the Muralitharan and the what is the name of that, Sardarji? Harbhajan Singh, the Dusra and all this, that they are having the problem, and then BCCI and International Cricket Council, what they did, they had the it was a complaint by all the player and other association that Muralitharan and Harbhajan Singh is doing something wrong because they are throwing. Because of that, the Cricket Council did the test, and that test was done by the Australian association. But I know that, okay, my coach, where I learned, the Bruce Elliott, one of the best biomechanics in the world, he did that one. When I was in the Brisbane that time, he told me about that, okay? I did that one. So what was that? Then he explained me, and I knew that, but after that I understood all this nicely, that tossing and throw is the different. In the cricket also you can't throw, but in tennis also you can't throw. When you toss the ball, we say there's a two word, toss the ball. I'm not saying that throw the ball. So what is the difference between toss and throw? Toss means my hand will be here. Well, in my left hand I am right-hander. So my ball on the palm or my finger resting, and then my hand is going upward, and it will stop here, and then ball is having the motion and it will go up, okay? So if I am doing this, it is a toss. But if I am doing like this, it is a throw because I am using my wrist. So now you understand that what is the difference between toss and throw. In the tennis, what I am going to talk about, the toss. We always say toss the ball, okay? Not throw the ball. So that means we are not going to use the wrist. That is the clear, okay? So now you can see that when I will toss, the few things I did. This is the baseline, service line, net. So I am going to serve the ball. I'm going to serve from this side from right side to my left side of the box, okay? So that one we all know. So that is not a problem. We are going to show the toss, okay? So now I'm going to show this. This is suppose I'm facing this way, but I'm supposed to do there. So I'm like this. So I'm standing just behind the service line, and then I'm a little bit sideways, little bit half turn, okay? And then I'm bouncing. I don't bounce here, okay? I'm bouncing little bit right side, because it will be more natural, okay? I'm bouncing, then I'm holding. This is I already spoke about my last video about all the thing. I just touch little bit. Now I'm going to do in the serve. I said it's a very complex stroke. So I'm going to each and every part about the clarify all the part, so you can understand that one, okay? Because it's very complicated, okay? So now I'm bouncing the ball. Now I'm ready, and when I will do, see, my ready position, my racket and my ball. I'm holding my left hand the ball. It is my waist height, okay? Waist height. Then when I toss, I can't toss from here. So you can see people are doing little bit, doing like this. The Boris Becker is doing this one like this. Okay, so getting the rhythm. So in the toss also you have to do the same thing. So we have to follow sometimes the pro, okay, what they are doing. So if I am doing like this, so I am here. So I now you can see my full body weight in the both leg, okay. But when I am bouncing, I am in the front leg. This leg is just supporting, okay. I am in the front leg, and then I am coming and you can see my hand and ball is going halfway down. Not I'm down here. Sometimes you can see the Federer is coming from here. It's okay. I'm not telling. I'm talking about the. I don't want to copy anybody. Or nobody should copy anybody. Okay. Okay. So you. Okay. So I'm here in the waist height, and then I'm shifting my weight to my back foot. Okay. And that same time, my both hand is my left hand, my ball and racket is going halfway down, and then I'm here. I'm separating my two hands both sides. One, the ball is going here tossing, and my racket is preparation. So what I said before also, because I don't want to repeat all the thing. In the any stroke there is a two part. One is the preparation phase, another one is the follow through or hitting phase. Okay. In between of that, the contact point. Okay. So in the service also there is a two part. Is the one is the preparation phase, and another one is the you are hitting the ball. So from here, I'm in the front foot, my body weight, this is the one by one step. First step, my body weight in the front foot and bouncing the ball. And then I am keeping my ball and racket halfway down, and my weight is shifting to my back foot, okay? So I'm doing again, I want to clear everything. From here, I'm going down, halfway, and then I'm going to up, and then my body weight is now I'm back, and then my body weight in the both leg, okay? And then this is the toffee position or power position, anything you can say. And then after this one, tossing, and then I'm going to hit. So now I'm going to my main point. What is the today I'm talking about the toss. So this is the first thing, halfway down, then my two hand is apart, and then my hand is here, and it is just here, okay? The ball is not on my palm. I'm not going to hold the ball like this tight. I'm just with the 2-3 finger, I'm just holding like this, and then here I do like this. Can you see this? I'm releasing the hand, and my wrist and my hand is not going to bend at all. My hand is straight, and then I'm tossing the ball. So and another thing also, you can see if I toss like this, the ball will be, you can see in the slow motion, it's going the same, okay? Because here's the Wilson, you can see this. Okay, Wilson is there. But if I will do little bit roll the ball, then you can see ball is moving. This is not good, okay? When I toss, ball will not spin. If it is spin, it is very hard to control the ball, okay? Control the ball toss and control hitting time. So your ball will be rest motion. It will go up. When ball will up, and then we are going. So that one is the how we can do it. But now I'm going to tell you how we can improve this thing, okay? So that is the important part, because when the kids and player who are doing, you have to do some, you have to give some extra time for this thing to develop. We have to give some extra time to develop this process, okay? So now in this case, first we just do like this, toss and catch. Because my toss is not good, then I have to go outside to catch the ball. That means my toss is not good. So my toss will bounce. I can make one circle here, and I can bounce in between of the circle, and then it's a very nice bounce. And then I will toss the ball and toffee position and catch. So my palm will be out. I can't catch the ball like this, the palm in. If I will do like this, this shoulder muscle is not strong, because if the tennis or any shoulder is not strong, then I can't generate the power with this. You know, power is going to convert from this shoulder to this shoulder. So from here to here, because I'm going to do shoulder to shoulder. That one I'm going to do the next time, okay? So now you can see I'm tossing and sorry, this is the bad toss, okay? Toss and catch. So I'm tossing and bending my knee and catching. I'm bending my knee and catching. And if I'm doing good, okay, so I'm tossing and I can hit the ball. So now you can understand, this is the thing. So this is the one, and one thing, sometimes what I said that you need to develop the kids sometimes not watching the ball because they toss the ball and they hit like this, head is down. So for that, to practice like this, you can ready position, we can keep two balls in hand, okay? We toss the ball, you can see, okay? I'm tossing the ball and I'm throwing the ball because service is a throwing motion. So I toss and I can throw and I try to hit the ball so I can see the ball more nicely, okay? So if I can't see the ball, I can't throw the ball. So that also we can practice. So I hope I can explain that one. If you do like this, there are a few more things, but this is enough for that, okay? 2, 3 things, we have to go little bit down and then apart and both sides my hand will go, okay? And then we toss and the catch, and then second one, we can toss and we can hit. You can see again hit, okay? So that thing you can practice, okay? So I hope I can explain this one, and you try to practice, and all the coaches and players can do this thing sometime, so they will grow the coordination with the both hand and throwing action, okay? Because service is a throwing action. So if you are throwing, then it is very good, okay? So that one, I hope you guys can clear this concept, and please keep watching our video, and please subscribe, because and your support is very important. Thank you very much.